Yep, I finally got my new train car to work. So now I have six cars, and this one's the new one. I had to put metal inside of it for the weights, but it's going good so far. And I took it over all these switches, and it works pretty good. It's just gonna be a pretty short video because I was sick this morning. I still didn't get that can and throw away. And I need to put the containers back on this freight train too. But I got less brain cells than a door, so who knows? If y'all enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe, and peace.